how to make a mind map in Microsoft Whiteboard. So you can do this either over the web or you can download the app. Now once you're in Microsoft Whiteboard, simply click New Whiteboard. Now you can start with a blank canvas if you want, and that's what we're gonna do. So now we're on an entitled blank whiteboard. So to create a mind map, what you need to do is select the shape. So click add shape for the line, and then let's just add a rectangle. So let's click on it, drag it, and there you go. Now we can resize it. Let's put it in the middle. And we can also put, let's say 4 circles like this. Let's duplicate the circle again, and let's do it again, and let's just drag it right here. Now we can add these lines like that. There you go. And simply double click on it to add text. So this is just a rough outline of a mind map. You can create yours however you want it to be. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.